Well, hello and welcome to my next video on my Southern Twang Tarts order. I ordered this on the 14th of April and it arrived to me in Australia on the 2nd of June. And I have taken the tape off, but I haven't looked inside or taken anything out yet. So this order was... Holly had a number of quarter dishes available, which is a 14 to 6 ounce kind of like a loaf. I haven't actually ordered from her before, so I'm really excited to see what everything is like. And I also ordered a Potluck box, which was 2 pounds of lots of different stuff. So on the top, I've got some of this. Now, I haven't seen this before. We don't get this in Australia. Some pickle salt. And lemon lime salt. Ooh. Cool. And a lollipop, which my daughter will probably steal. Okay, so on the top, I am guessing that these are samples. I'll just take everything out and then I'm going to go through it and smell it all. There's little cubes. Flour. I'm so excited. Okay, oh, so excited. Wow. Look at all of this. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is beautiful. Look, it's huge. Okay, so all of these are part of the Potluck box. Holly was really lovely. She even though it's Potluck, she let us pick a couple of our favourite scents, and she said she would try and get one of those, at least one of those, into the box. Oh, they're so pretty. All of these flowers are gorgeous. Oh, that looks like a good one. Oh, wow, cute cupcake. And I've just noticed on the back here, I haven't noticed this before on any other wax I've bought. It's got melt me after 6th of the 6th, which is in 4 days. Excited. Oh, this is unusual. So this is all still part of the Potluck box. Oh wow, it's a cute hat. Tomato leaves. Okay, this smells really lovely, this box. Cute little chunk tart. Belt buckle. Okay, wow, that's pretty. Big flower. Black boot. Never had black wax before. And pretty one. Okay, so oh, I think I need this one. This one looks beautiful on the Facebook page. Oh my god, it's bigger than I thought. It's beautiful. Volcano cotton candy. Look how big that is. A huge. Well, it's a mini, but like a mini loaf. It's beautiful. And I haven't tried volcano cotton candy. I've heard good things about it. Okay, and then in here are the what she calls a quarter dish. So I think she makes a big casserole dish and then she cuts it up into 4. Okay, so it's just like a loaf. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I got 3. I think there were 10 available, and these are the 3 that sounded the most appealing to me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up my camera. I'm going to go through all of these individually. Feel free to stick around as I go through all of the scents if you want to see what they're like. Okay, so I've unpacked everything and I'm going to go through all the scents now. I made a mistake before. It's not actually a 2-pound Potluck box. It was a 3-pound Potluck box, and I measured it all. I weighed it all, and it came in at 3 pounds 10 ounces. So it was quite a lot over. And the quarter dishes, which I'll show you in a minute, they were said to be between 14 and 16 ounces, and they were over 16. One was 16.4, 16.6, and 16.8 ounces. So it's really good to know that she's very generous with her wax, which is great. Makes me feel happy. Makes me a happy customer. Okay, so I'll have a look at I'll show you the samples first. On her Facebook page, she explained what the samples are. So the pink one was papaya guava colada. Smells nice. Not sure what I'm getting though. Just sort of smells a bit pink to me. Okay. The orange one is melon fizz, orange and vanilla coconut. I don't get much melon. I smell orange and a little bit of vanilla. The blue sample was awapui sea berry. I looked up what awapui is, and it's a plant from the ginger family. Oh no, this is I don't get any ginger, if that's what awapui is. I'm not sure what that is. But I sort of get the bit of a sea smell. Might be a nice one to melt in the bathroom. And these were also samples, but they're not labelled, so I'm going to see if I can guess what's at least one of the scents by smelling. Alright, so this purple one, it's sweet. Maybe it smells a little bit like plum or something. Okay. And then there's 2 sort of pink. This is dark pink and a light pink. The dark pink, I can smell a kind of like a sweet berry. Oh, this one's different to the dark pink one. The light pink, it's really nice. Oh, it's sweet, like, I don't know, is it bubble gum or something sweet? That's probably my favourite out of all the samples. Okay, so I'll show you the quarter dishes now. So this one, how pretty. Okay, so it's got some little sparkle hearts on the top, and it's been pre-cut. I bought one of those crinkle cutters that arrived this week, so I'm going to have a go at cutting with one of those soap crinkle cutters. Alright, so this one is strawberry white cake, buttery cake bites, and buttercream frosting. Oh, it's so pretty. Look how much there is. It's huge. Oh. It's not overly strawberry. It's really nice. It's different. It's different to what you'd expect. It's really much more complex than just a strawberry scent. You definitely get like the buttery cake bites and like a creamy scent. It's really nice. Okay, so the other quarter dish I got was Fruity Pebbles waffle cone and vanilla pastry filling, and I love anything sort of Fruit Loops, Fruity Pebbles. I actually haven't had Fruity Pebbles. I'm guessing it's the same as Fruit Loops. It's so colourful. I'm guessing the overpour is vanilla pastry filling. Okay. Oh, Yep, this is good. It smells like Fruity Loops. So Fruity Pebbles must be like Fruity Loops. And it's super strong. And I love it. Love, 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 love. Okay, and the last quarter dish I got was Southern Iced Tea, Peach Bellini, and Lemon Sugar. I've never tried anything that with these scents in it. I only tried a little bit of peach. I really like lemon, but the Southern Iced Tea was really intriguing to me, so I thought I'd try this. Again, really pretty and not too much glitter. I like a little bit like that. That's nice. Oh, and it does smell like iced tea, and a little bit of lemon and a bit of peach. It's really nice. It's a really different a scent that's different to my nose, and I really, really enjoy that. I hope that melts really nicely too. Okay, so now we're going to go through all of the what came in the Potluck box. So I've taken it all out of the packet to save time. All right, so this one's pomegranate, lime, cotton candy, honeydew. All the lime I've tried, like lime scares me. Whenever I melt lime, my kids say it smells like vomit, and now I can't smell it without thinking that as well. So I don't go out and seek lime, but hey, it's got other. I love pomegranate, love cotton candy, and I haven't tried much honeydew, so we'll see what this smells like. And this smells really lovely. I can smell the pomegranate and the cotton candy, and there's no yucky lime, the yucky lime that I'm used to. It's a really nice, fruity, sweet scent. Really lovely. Okay, maybe lime's not that bad when it's mixed with other things. Okay, so this one is Coral Reef Rainwater Golden Sands. This sounds like a really nice fresh scent. And it is. It's like a fresh spa sort of scent. Not one that I would go out and buy, but it's really good to have one of these to try, because I don't usually buy them. It's nice to get them in surprise packages like this so I can try it. It's really nice, fresh smelling. Okay, this one is sweet strawberry cream soda and vanilla smoothie. I love strawberry and vanilla. Cream soda, not sure yet. What I've smelt before I haven't liked. Nice. It's kind of, the strawberry in it is a little bit the same as the strawberry that was in the quarter dish. I don't get any cream soda, which is good because I don't like cream soda unless this is just a nice one. I like that one. That's nice. A nice sweet, mainly sweet strawberry. Okay, the next one is blueberry pancakes, maple syrup, whipped cream. Love blueberry. Oh, wow. This is really nice. I get the blueberry pancakes, maple syrup and whipped cream. Oh, beautiful. That's lovely. Love, love, love that one. Okay, a little chunky tart. This is tea cake, pomegranate, cream cheese frosting. Oh, I think I really like pomegranate. Anything with pomegranate in it, I seem to really like. Cream cheese frosting, not sure if I get that. It's really nice though. Very nice. Okay, this one is a little 6-pack of like little mini flowers. This is Plum Crazy Margarita. Oh, you first get plum and then it's sort of like a sweet, maybe it's the margarita that just at the end you get a sort of a bit of a surprise sweetness. It must be the margarita. That's really lovely. Oh, so far I love everything. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is why it's so addictive. Just the happiness you get when melts arrive and you smell them, and it's just makes your senses come alive. I love it. This one is plum, caramel, butter, brick or ice cream. Beautiful two-tone. Oh, wouldn't have thought to mix plum and caramel, but I'll tell you what, it works. Oh, nice. I can smell the plum and the caramel. I think the plum and the caramel, and it smells like they're in the bottom, and the top is the butterbrickle and the ice cream. Beautiful. Okay, oh, this one's gorgeous. This flower, other than being huge, it's really pretty. All right, so this is creamy coconut, vanilla, butterscotch, sugar, cane baked cookies. Like a little bit of coconut and vanilla, a little bit of butterscotch, and the cookies. That's really lovely. Love, love, love. Loving everything. Oh, this one is Bullseye, wild raspberry, tomato leaves. Okay, now there's one I haven't tried before. I'm not sure what Bullseye is. I like raspberry, but I haven't smelt tomato leaves. Oh, wow. I get the raspberry, but the tomato leaves, oh, you kind of get it. You know the lovely smell if you grow tomatoes, and the lovely smell that you get, that's kind of there in the background, and it's really nice. Who would have thought that tomato leaves would be a scent that you'd have in wax? Wow. Okay, oh look, this is the same scent, but in a different shape. A cute little boot, a black boot. Wow. This one, when I smell both of them, the red one smells more raspberry. I don't get as much raspberry in the black one. I guess it's just the amount of each scent that goes in it. It's a little bit different. They're both good. All right, this one is wild cherry lemonade. Oh, okay. It's really pretty. Now, cherry is one of the scents that I don't care for, but my goodness, that is good. Wild cherry lemonade is good. I would never have thought I'd like anything cherry, but that is good. You are a magician, lady. The next one is berry creme brulee lemon meringue. Beautiful. Another 2-layer flower. Oh, yeah, I'd say berry creme brulees on the bottom and lemon meringue on the top. I love the berry creme brulee. And the lemon meringue isn't as strong as the berry creme brulee, but I'm sure they will melt lovely together. Okay, the lovely flower. This is French baguette, strawberry preserve, cinnamon, honey buttered rolls. Oh, yeah. I get that it's a bakery. It's not overly cinnamony, which is good. And a bit of strawberry. This is lovely. Wow, I have not smelt one that I haven't liked yet. Okay, this is acai berries, rose petals, and satin sheets. Not sure what satin sheets is, or actually any of. I know what rose smells like. I know it's not one that I typically choose. Okay. Oh, wow, this is really beautiful, and it's strong. Now, I don't like rose, but whatever these other things are mixed in with it, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, sweet, strong. I don't usually like floral. It's not really floral. It's sort of like a sweet. Must be the berries that round out the rose. And I'm not sure what satin sheets is. If you know what that is, let me know. Okay, I've got about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 left. Apricot, fried ice cream, vanilla puff. Wow, apricot, I don't think I've tried. I don't think I've ever smelled apricot in wax. This is beautiful. I've just got wax up my nose. It's really strong apricot, bit of ice cream. Oh, this is really, really good. Love it. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the lovely big mini loaf. Look how big this is. Look how big this baby is. Okay, there's my hand. That is huge. And this is volcano cotton candy. Ah, wow. This is beautiful. I haven't smelled volcano cotton candy before. Oh, it's super strong, super sweet. It's like cotton candy, but like dialed up 500%. It's gorgeous. One of my faves out of all of this lot. Love, love, love. Oh, okay. Oh, cute belt buckle. In berries, lemon, orange, cotton, vanilla musk, sweet mint. I think the first thing I get is the musk. Not really getting berries. Cotton. I'm getting cotton and vanilla musk mostly. That is lovely. Melt me after. Okay, so I've got another week. Oh, that's really nice. Nice and fresh. Okay. I've got a big cupcake here. Yum. Could almost eat it. Strawberry shortcake, blue cotton candy, frosted cake. Hello. I could smell this all day. It is. The strawberry shortcake is beautiful. Oh, blue cotton candy. That is gorgeous. Another favourite. Love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. More wax up my nose, but hey, it's worth it. This one is tangerine grape citrus berry punch. I'm really liking tangerine lately. Everything I've had with, not that I've had much with tangerine, but I've really loved it. Citrus berry punch sounds lovely. Grape, yeah, sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't, but I'm sure I'm going to love this. This is a nice grape. It's not a yucky grape. I'm getting mostly grape. Not sure about the citrus berry punch. Might come out when it's melted, but I get a little bit of tangerine as well. And another pretty flower. Oh, you are an artiste, Holly. This one is sugared agave. Is that how you say it? Cactus nectar, sweet dewberries, and floral bouquet. Oh, look at the black on there. Like a deep purpley black on the top. Oh, okay, I'll get the floral. It's very floral. It's different. I think I'll give that one a go, and if I don't like it, I know my mum will love that. Okay, a few more to go. See, there's a lot. If you didn't grab one of these guys, if she ever has this available again, I would highly recommend getting one of these Potluck boxes. It's probably the best wax, the prettiest wax I've had. And I haven't even melted it yet. Okay, this beautiful flower is oranges, pineapple, sweet berries, sugar crystals, citrus linen, clean cotton. Oh. Yeah, what I get out of it first is the linen and clean cotton. I find that those scents dominate, which is lovely. I like to melt these when I'm doing the washing or cleaning. I don't get oranges, or I don't get anything fruity, but I get a clean sort of linen laundry scent out of that. Lovely. Take 3 more. Sorry it's so long. Okay, this one's pomegranate, mandarin, mango, lime smoothie, and I'm not even scared of the lime. Lime isn't scaring me because I know it's going to be good. And it is. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. So lovely and fruity and fresh. I'm getting the pomegranate and the mandarin. And mango and the lime's really nice. Wow, you've converted me. I like it. I like lime. Alright, this one's grapefruit, Changello's saltwater taffy. I haven't tried saltwater taffy before, or grapefruit actually, and it's nice. Wow, that's really, really lovely. I'm getting the grapefruit Tangelos scent the strongest. And the saltwater taffy must just be in the background. That is beautiful and fresh and something new that I haven't smelt before. And the lucky last is Sour Patch Kids. Yep. It smells definitely sour. Oh, I think the video just went funny then. I'm not sure if I'm running out of memory. It's a long video. This is lovely. Okay, so this is it all of it sort of spread out. And I'm going to have the best time melting this. If you bought one of these, let me know which one's your favourite. I'll probably wait another, oh, I don't know if I'll be able to wait a week. I might have to start melting as soon as possible because this is lovely wax and I'm really hoping it melts as lovely as it smells. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.